Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. In today's video, we're gonna try to discuss about what are the hobbies. First of all, knowing about the hobbies, that more people has a hobby to read the books. More people has hobby to in the sports, in free time doing the activities in games and lots of activities. But my hobby is to grow the plants and making the plants for the upcoming generation, because the plants give us the fruit that we need to be eat for ourselves. They make us so much improving. Sorry to say, I was humbling to say, but don't worry about it. The first of all thing is that what is hobby. Hobby is the basic criteria, basic thing that a person who wanted to do it in your free time, that and never becoming to be boring into the boring time, and do the same thing for the maximum time for enjoying them, and into the type of work for creative work, such as lots of people busy into conversation, lots of people busy into the free times of sorry to say, reading books, reading novels and many more things. But my creativeness is to giving water to the plants, giving so much fertilizer to the plant, and make a trees for my bagan, sorry, for my garden. As you can see that I was in front of the banana tree and make the videos, because I like to visit the plants for very well, because this was so much interesting to visit it. And I very much find that, because I will from the past of the video saying that I was very much excited while recording the videos in front of the plant, because I feel that there was my friend and I talk with them. Let's suppose giving to an something example to it, as I am front of him, that front of banana tree, and I am at there and telling about him that, hello my friend, how about your today's day, and what are you doing in today, and tell me about yourself, what are the basic thing that you have done, and what type of information that you have gathered, and how about your day was so much grateful or not. I will just to talk with him, and how could he reply me? He was not to saying anything, but I will explain. I will just find him that he was my friend, and how to talk with them. And always time I prefer that, because if you want to talk with any people, first of all you need a person, so that you can talk with them. Whenever you need a person, then the conversation was begun to be so much longer. So my future goal, not my future goal, but I need to conversate people into the many more platforms, such as talk free, talk for free, and hello app, and lots of conversation app are so much free for the conversation. But I like the most, because I was the introvert person. But don't worry about it. But first of all, here you can see the plant, and here I am, and I like the most to talk with them, because in this topic I will tell that, first of all, find the niche that you have to find it, the friend. सबसे पहली बात, अगर आपको फ्रेंड पता है आपका, जैसे बहुत किसी का फ्रेंड कैमरा बहुत होगा, कि कैमरा के सामने आकर के बोलना, बहुत किसी का फ्रेंड जो होगा, many more people's friend on the basis of the plants, some books and lots of things, that they have the friend, they cannot, they are the dead person. But plants are the living thing, but we are conversate with them as a friendship less, and getting something informative from themselves, and something very much creative, as the rain was occurred, and something rain was also happening. So that I think that the video could be stopped, because if over rain was happening, and my phone was get shut off. So that the today's video I want to quit it, and for the English conversation video, for I wanted to make the videos for English conversation more than 1 hour, but I could not record it. But don't worry about it. For tomorrow's time, in Monday, I find my time into the morning, and skipping the work, and record the video for the English conversation more than 1 hour, so that how you could, it could helping you to bettering, improving your English conversation for the public to be so much creative, because this channel was to made it for the only, but only for the English conversation. So how it could be so much important to be listening yourself in English conversation, and also to blogging yourself, because to record yourself so much important, because in front of the camera. And this is for today's video, and today's video was to end him because of the rain. We are suffering. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत। मिलते हैं आपसे कल।